In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your accounting process by managing which bank accounts integrate with your QuickBooks, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to disconnect an account cleanly and efficiently. To begin, navigate to the QuickBooks website using your browser. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one to proceed. Once you've set up your account, or if you already have an account, click on the Sign In button specifically designed for QuickBooks Online users. Enter your account credentials when prompted and continue logging in by following the prompts. You'll be asked to select the company file you want to work with, so make sure you choose correctly to access your relevant financial information. After you've logged in, the next step is to go to QuickBooks main menu. This is your hub for managing all account-related activities. On the main dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Accounting. Click on it to proceed. This will lead you to the area where all your connected bank accounts are listed. Carefully browse through the list and select the bank account that you intend to remove. Once you have the right bank account tile in view, look for a small edit icon, which looks like a pencil located at the top right corner of the account tile. Clicking this will open additional options. You should see an option that says Edit Account Info. Select this to proceed to the account settings that you need to adjust for disconnection. Within the account settings window, you'll find a checkbox labeled Disconnect this account on Save. By checking this box, QuickBooks will no longer import transactions from this particular bank account. If you prefer that this bank account no longer appears in your financial reports, you can also choose to uncheck Include in Reports, although this is optional. Now that you've made your selections, click on Save and Close. This step finalizes the disconnection of your bank account from QuickBooks. It's important to note that while QuickBooks will stop importing future transactions from this account, any past transactions will remain in the system. If you wish to remove these old transactions as well, they will need to be deleted manually. This process effectively disconnects the selected bank account, helping you keep your QuickBooks Online records clean and relevant to your current accounting needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember to keep your financial data organized and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher on any of these steps.